Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris from Project Pineapple Pea DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 steps to add a bit of glam into your home. They're really simple, really easy. I really love them. You can buy them anywhere. Also aware that in the UK we say charity shop. And I know like in America and things you say thrift store, so I'll make sure that I tag that name in as well as charity shop, because it's all the same thing, we just obviously in different countries call it different. Like my channel, subscribe, hit the bell so that every time I post a video you will see it, because most of my house is farmhouse, whereas this one is in my bedroom is glam, and my 6-year-old really wants hers to be a pink type glam as well, so that will be coming up too, which will be really cool. So enjoy the home decor pieces that I've done. So I've got these glasses from the charity shop. What I've done with them is, first of all, I sprayed them in a chalk winter grey paint. So it's nice and dry. Love how it's fitted onto the glass. I've now got this sparkly gem band that basically all you need is heat to stick it on with. It's so glitzy glam. I really love it. So all I'm doing now is just making sure that it all fits, so that when I do put the heat on, it's going to level up and not be too small or too big. So all I'm doing now is using the heat from the hairdryer and whacking it on full. It's just because you either need an iron or something really hot so it's going to actually stick, and I don't really want to use an iron on this, especially because actually underneath is glass, but it's really working lovely. I'm really happy that it's sticking and the hairdryer is doing amazing. So I decided that I wanted to put the gems up the top as well, just because I think it would be too much in the middle but really nice at the top. I didn't want it all covered just because I really love the grey, and I want to embrace the grey as much as the glitzy glam as well. So all I'm doing is just measuring up the tops of it and sticking them on too. Are so pretty. I am in love with them. Oh, got hiccups. I am so in love with them. They're so cute. So just gonna scrunch up some paper because I didn't order ones with hiccups are coming at me now. I didn't order sadly ones with stems. So just a bit of DIY, as I forgot the stems. All I'm going to be doing is putting a bit of paper on the back just so that they all stay together and none come loose, and when it is finished it just looks really nice and all together and no parts have little spaces in between. So with the spare little stems I've got, all I'm doing is using the glue gun just to stick them down so it is solid and it all stays together and looks really pretty, and it just flows with the paper in the bottom just so that it's nice and secure. So I've put the flowers in the plant pot, and all I need to do now is add the petals that need to be placed, just because there's going to be spaces and missing parts because I haven't actually put it in yet. So I'm just going to work out where the other rose heads need to go. So all I'm doing now is the exact same as I've done to the first, putting the flower stem on and then putting the rose heads on the stem, making sure that it all fits in, there's no gaps, and it looks really pretty, just for the other side of the bedside table that they'll both be going on. So my next one is a 5x7 photo frame. It's plain, and all I'm going to do is glue rose heads onto the photo frame just so I get more of a girly glamour feel on the bedside tables. So all you need to do is press down the rose heads just to make sure it sticks. The glue gun glue is absolutely amazing and will stick pretty quickly. Just hold it down for a couple of seconds. So there you have it. It's a flower photo frame. It's so cute. I'm in love. It's going to look so cute next to the bedside table. My next thing that I need to do is just give it a little bit of a glam feel, because obviously that's what my bedroom is going for. So I've got my gems and I just want to give it a little bit of a glitzy feel. So I'm going to add gold gems into the middle of the rose heads just to give it a really lovely feel and make it really fit with the glam in the bedroom. So once you've done all the gems, it's finished. It looks so beautiful. I'm actually really in love with it, and all I really need to do now is add an amazing photo just to give it that extra loveliness. So my last thing I want to show you, let me move my nighttime makeup. My last thing I wanted to show you is mirrors. They literally make everything look so much more elegant. I really love them. That's my third tip of the day. Nice and easy, a mirror. So I got it for £1. Mirror candle tray, they call them. Just £1 in B&M. I'm sure they'll be in the Dollar Tree in America. It's basically the same as B&M, to be fair. It's one of them shops that just has so many amazing little things. But yeah, that's my tip. And also, a lot of people, including myself in the sitting room, I'll just have a little mirror with a nice smelly candle or something on, just to make it look really elegant. I really do think it makes the place look so much more glam and stylish. So yeah, that is the third and final tip for today. Nice and simple, £1, mirror table tray, amazing. I really hope you found some inspiration for home decor in your home. I really hope you like the glam look. I actually am in love with the sparkly glass pots. I think it's my favourite. They're so simple and easy to do, and they make your house look so different, and it's amazing and so cheap. And that's what we all want. We want it to look really elegant and glam, but also for cheap and not spending a fortune like you can do on pieces. And it's amazing what you can find in the charity shop or the thrift store. I hope I'm saying it right. And things like that. So yeah, I think it's really beneficial to start getting into a DIY theme for everyone, and save money. That's what it's all about for us, but also making sure that your house is how you love it. If you like my channel, subscribe. A video coming in the next few days. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've got so many ideas coming out of my head. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.